'Tis day 5 of 150. Happy Canada Day. We're celebrating the nation's birthday today here in Canada. Let's do a little adventure and see what's going on this Canada Day. Drive by a couple events, see what's popping. Yeah, bring you along for the ride. Let's go. Alright, here we are, back in Delaware. What did I say? Look over here. It's packed. Canada Day. Tractor pulling going on, lots of stuff like that. But a couple vlogs ago I said it'd be packed here. We got some food trucks, might check those out. Tractor pull, horse stuff going on. Central Park, or not Central, the main park is packed as well. Amazing day, great weather. Actually pretty hot out, to be honest. It's hot everywhere right now, let's be honest. With the environment and everything, global warming, it's hotter than it's ever going to be and colder than it's ever going to be. People don't realize that global warming goes both ways. There's the melting, there's the heat, and then cold weather is also way colder as well. It's just because the atmosphere is that strong, I guess, anyways. But yeah, it's a beautiful day for Canada Day. Let's go check some of this stuff out.
If anybody has lost a phone, we have one here. It was on the outside of the fence, just on the north end here by the trees in the grassy area. So if you've lost your phone, please come see us. We might have it.
Bad, not bad. Let's check. Maybe get a snack. Low key, one of the best burgers I've had recently. Great sauce. Got the backseat view. It is hot. I think I got one of the best like orange lemonade films. We'll see, they made it to about like got some baseball going on. Yeah, bro, I introduce myself. I'm civilian. I metaphorically eat your brain and your soul. No remorse for this villain. What's the deal with the soul? Sworn out prison of your mindset. Police, NPC, demons. What's the reason? I don't see no real pleasing. I don't see no real pleasing. I don't see no real pleasing. What's the reason? double it down, make it up like a double mag stack. You know how it is, Dan. Make it like double cannibalistic, metaphorically cannibalistic. Gotta go like eat your brains, your soul. How it goes, I won't leave anything left. I just won't run through the next, on to the next. I don't really give a damn anymore. I've just been here so many days. Like take it slow, you gotta give her, but sometimes you give her too much, you just end up spinning out. Not bad though. Back in the whip, gonna head back. It is hot, bro. It is hot. But yeah, if you watched the earlier vlog, I was talking about this type of stuff happens during the summer. It's like Canada Day, tractor pulls and all that. It's pretty interesting. It's been going on for a while, but let's head back to the stew.
12 hours to New York Saturday morning, sleep until Saturday afternoon, get into the studio and record.
You're in. I made it back. That was day 5 of 150. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, sub. Peace for now.